Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also do well to follow us on Telegram so you will be getting updates from us. I'll be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, click on the link, follow us on Telegram, and get updates from us. Now, let's see what we will be expecting this week on gold. By the way, we will be expecting a bullish move this week that we are predicting on gold. This is exactly what gold will be giving us. Now, I will explain why. We are on the daily time frame, right? If you have to zoom it out, there was a period of time when gold was ranging within this level. This movement started, around 2020. We saw it came to this resistance here, right? We had a movement to this resistance level. Then we had a drop which came to this support level down here before another movement came to this resistance level and down, a drop to our support level. Then we had this movement that came to our resistance level. Then guess what? It broke out of this resistance level. So previously, market was ranging within this level. So markets literally ranged within this level here, right? So now what market has done is that it literally broke out of it. But when you see it now, you see that market is currently ranging within this level here. So you will see something like this is the resistance. The markets came to this our support level. Remember, markets came to this resistance level, right? Then we had a drop that came to this our support level, and now there's another bullish move to this resistance level, and you can see it has come back to this support level. What do you think market will be doing next? Definitely it should be coming to this our resistance level. Reason why we will be speculating a buy in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So this week that we are predicting for and the upper week, so within 2 3 weeks period, we should see gold rally up to this our resistance level. So let's see what this forward time frame is literally saying. So it looks like it wants to start making that move, right? So we are kind of having this ranging markets move to the upside. So I'll see this as the first impulse move to the upside. This is the corrective wave. Now another impulse move is literally going to be playing, which should take out this previous higher highs. Then the corrective wave will come, right? Then another impulse move should play out. Corrective wave should play out again. Then another impulse move. So we should see gold rally to this our resistance level here. So that is what we'll be expecting on gold, by the way.